Welcome to TravelAtlas. Today we will be discussing the top 5 best places to travel to in 2023. Hopefully after watching this video, you will be able to add a new destination onto your bucket list. Without further ado, let's get right into our top 5. Number 5. Machu Picchu, Peru. Located high in the Andes Mountains of Peru, Machu Picchu is now believed to have been a sacred royal retreat for the Incan rulers. Built in the 15th century AD and abandoned less than 100 years later, the remote site continues to amaze with its perfectly joined, mortarless, intricate stonework. Huge multi-ton blocks of stone are perfectly joined with each other, without the use of mortar or cement. The journey to Machu Picchu typically starts in the mountain city of Cusco, which was the capital city of the Inca Empire. Cusco is a fascinating place to explore. Be sure to spend a few days there before or after your Machu Picchu adventure. It's possible to hike the Inca Trail from Cusco to Machu Picchu. The full hike takes 5 days, but you can also start closer and do a 1, 2, or 3-day hike along the trail. Most people take the train from Cusco, which takes about 3.5 hours. Number 4. Rome, Italy. The Eternal City is more like a giant, living museum. Visitors are immersed in and surrounded by thousands of years of history. It's a relatively compact city, and a 3-day itinerary gets you to the minimum number of must-see places. These must-see sites for any visitor include the Colosseum and adjacent Roman Forum, the Pantheon, and Vatican City, a separate country in the middle of central Rome. Take some time to explore the outskirts of Rome, too. Consider a hike along a tomb-lined section of the Appian Way, the ancient Roman superhighway, and a visit to one of the aqueduct ruins outside the city. If you feel like hitting the beach after all your exploring, Rome has a wonderful assortment of beach towns just a short drive away on the Lazio coast. Escape the heat, hustle, and bustle of the city to bathe in the cool waters of the Tyrrhenian Sea. Number 3. Maui, Hawaii. This Hawaiian island offers a wide range of experiences for visitors. You can surf, enjoy a meal on the beach at a 5-star luxury resort in Wailea, ride a horse across a dormant volcano in Haleakala National Park, or hike through a rainforest in the West Maui Mountains. The natural scenery is amazing. It's truly one of the most beautiful islands in the world. When it comes to accommodation, there is something for everyone here, from rustic hippie bungalow bed and breakfasts to 5-star luxury resort hotels. Wailea has all the luxury resorts. It's like the beachfront Beverly Hills of Maui. If you're staying here, be sure to venture out and spend some time in Kihei, where the locals hang out. Number 2. New Zealand. With its striking natural beauty, friendly citizens, and recent popularity due to its use as the filming location for the Lord of the Rings films, as well as many others, this island nation is one of the world's great places to visit. The biodiversity here is amazing. It's believed New Zealand was one of the last places on Earth to have human inhabitants. Start your visit off in Auckland, with its culture, history, and museums. Spend some time on the water and at the beach. Waitemata Harbour has beaches, along with a range of sailing and boating activities. Visit the Rotorua area to learn about and experience indigenous Maori culture, and head to Queenstown to experience the country's wide range of outdoor extreme action sports. Remember, this is where bungee jumping was invented. Number 1. Paris, France. No visit to the French capital is complete without a trip to and a trip up its most iconic structure. The 300-meter-tall Eiffel Tower was quite simply the tallest man-made structure in the world, from its opening in 1889 for 41 years until 1930. Use your visit as a stair workout and climb the 300 steps from ground level to the first of 3 levels on the tower. If you're in great shape, climb another 300 steps to the second level. Then hop on the elevator here to get to the top. Aside from the workout, you'll also skip most of the crowd who want to take the elevator the whole way. Also make sure to eat at many of the amazing restaurants Paris has to offer. And there you have it, our top 5 list of best places to travel in 2023. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. We can't wait to see you in the next video.